Very good morning, 8th standard students. Unit 7, Cyber Safety. Take page number 183. In the last class, we have seen till page number 182, recording the conversation between the parents and the kids. Okay, next. Dear, please advise our children how to use internet wisely. Fine, call Gladin. Children, online facilities are for sharing among known members. Never chat with anybody unless you know them, like classmates, friends, family members, etc. Okay, Dad. See, mother is telling her husband to advise the children regarding to use internet wisely. Okay, so father tell to her wife to call Gladin, and Gladin came. Children online facilities, he is telling like it's online facilities are for sharing among known members. See, we should share the information to the known members only, not to the unknown members. You should not chat with unknown members unless you know them, like classmates, friends, family members, etc. So like kids are responding like, okay, Dad. And one more thing, we have to keep your personal details like photos, phone number, Aadhaar number, interest very private. See, these details we have to keep it privately. So the kid is asking, why so? Like that they are asking. For that, Dad is telling, strangers may use your profile and misuse your information without your knowledge. Strangers, unknown person may use your profile and they may misuse your information without your knowledge, because without our knowledge they will misuse the information and the profile. So they are responding like ho. Next picture. Internet or mobile helps us to connect with people around the world, allow us to watch movies, listen to music, play games and enjoy various other activities. He is telling about the uses of the internet. See, internet helps us to connect with people around the world. Because suppose if our relatives are in states or foreign countries, like it connects the people around the world. It connects the people. We can talk with them. We can chat with them. Okay. And other benefits are like we can watch movies. We can listen music and play games, and we can enjoy various other activities. There is a chance to get addicted to this powerhouse of entertainment. Dear, tell them what happens if someone is addicted to it. See, if we use more, okay, there is a chance to get addicted. For example, like if we play games for continuously, and next year also, it like we used to play game again and again. That is addicted. We will be addicted. So there is a chance to get addicted to this powers of entertainment. Dear, tell them what happens. Tell them if we are addicted, what will happen? Like that, she is answer. She is asking the question. Mother is asking the question. If we are addicted, what will happen? Okay. Next. Mobile addiction causes several serious problems such as headache, weakened eyesight, sleep disorders, depression, stress, social isolation, aggressive behavior, financial problems, ruined relationship, or no or low professional growth. He is listing. It causes several serious problems. It causes several serious problems such as will be getting headache and eyesight will be weakened, sleep disorders. Okay, we will not get sleep, depression, stress, social isolation means like, for example, if our relatives came to the house, if you are playing the games, we will not see the relatives also. We even will not welcome them. That is what? Social isolation. That particular kid will be playing in the internet continuously. Okay, he or she will never mind about others, keeping distance from the social people. Okay, next, aggressive behavior. Aggressive means like they will be arguing, they will not accept anything, they will be arguing. Next, financial problems, aggressive behavior and the relationship will be spoiled and professional growth will not be there. If it is a kid, if he is a kid, okay, we cannot see the improvement in the studies. Okay, oh my god, like that they are answering. Before that we can see these points. Advise our children, never chat with anybody unless you know them. Next, keep your personal details.